Guess the capital. Welcome to the Guess the Capital game. Get ready to test your geography knowledge. Let's go. Instructions to play. We will give you questions about American states and capital cities. Choose the correct answer from the 4 choices given. Whoever answers the most correctly wins. Which is the capital of Alabama? Option A, Montgomery. Option B, Charleston. Option C, Madison. Option D, Cheyenne. Guess. Which is the capital of Alabama? The correct answer is option A, Montgomery. Which is the capital of Alaska? Option A, Denver. Option B, Juneau. Option C, Atlanta. Option D, Phoenix. Guess. Which is the capital of Alaska? The correct answer is option B, Juneau. Which is the capital of Arizona? Option A, Springfield. Option B, Boston. Option C, Phoenix. Option D, Salem. Guess. Which is the capital of Arizona? The correct answer is option C, Phoenix. Which is the capital of Arkansas? Option A, Providence. Option B, Tallahassee. Option C, PA. Option D, Little Rock. Guess. Which is the capital of Arkansas? The correct answer is option D, Little Rock. Which is the capital of California? Option A, Sacramento. Option B, Olympia. Option C, Austin. Option D, Albany. Guess. Which is the capital of California? The correct answer is option A, Sacramento. Which is the capital of Colorado? Option A, Boise. Option B, Denver. Option C, Lansing. Option D, Concord. Guess. Which is the capital of Colorado? The correct answer is option B, Denver. Which is the capital of Connecticut? Option A, Hartford. Option B, Lincoln. Option C, Raleigh. Option D, Columbus. Guess. Which is the capital of Connecticut? The correct answer is option A, Hartford. Which is the capital of Delaware? Option A, Nashville. Option B, Phoenix. Option C, Dover. Option D, Indianapolis. Guess. Which is the capital of Delaware? The correct answer is option C, Dover. Which is the capital of Florida? Option A, Cheyenne. Option B, Tallahassee. Option C, Olympia. Option D, Annapolis. Guess. Which is the capital of Florida? The correct answer is option B, Tallahassee. Which is the capital of Georgia? Option A, Trenton. Option B, Atlanta. Option C, St. Paul. Option D, Harrisburg. Guess. Which is the capital of Georgia? The correct answer is option B, Atlanta. Which is the capital of Hawaii? Option A, Honolulu. Option B, Augusta. Option C, Frankfurt. Option D, Albany. Guess. Which is the capital of Hawaii? The correct answer is option A, Honolulu. Which is the capital of Idaho? Option A, Columbia. Option B, Jefferson City. Option C, Boise. Option D, Helena. Guess. Which is the capital of Idaho? The correct answer is option C, Boise. Which is the capital of Illinois? Option A, Jackson. Option B, Springfield. Option C, Madison. Option D, Austin. Guess. Which is the capital of Illinois? The correct answer is option B, Springfield. Which is the capital of Indiana? Option A, Oklahoma City. Option B, Charleston. Option C, Santa Fe. Option D, Indianapolis. Guess. Which is the capital of Indiana? The correct answer is option D, Indianapolis. Which is the capital of Iowa? Option A, Providence. Option B, Des Moines. Option C, Concord. Option D, Olympia. Guess. Which is the capital of Iowa? The correct answer is option B, Des Moines. Which is the capital of Kansas? Option A, PA. Option B, Montpelier. Option C, Topeka. Option D, Lincoln. Guess. Which is the capital of Kansas? The correct answer is option C, Topeka. Which is the capital of Kentucky? Option A, Frankfurt. Option B, Columbia. Option C, Albany. Option D, Denver. Guess. Which is the capital of Kentucky? The correct answer is option A, Frankfurt. Which is the capital of Louisiana? Option A, Trenton. Option B, Bismarck. Option C, Baton Rouge. Option D, Richmond. Guess. Which is the capital of Louisiana? The correct answer is option C, Baton Rouge. Which is the capital of Maine? Option A, Salem. Option B, Augusta. Option C, Hartford. Option D, Lansing. Guess. Which is the capital of Maine? The correct answer is option B, Augusta. Which is the capital of Maryland? Option A, Providence. Option B, Annapolis. Option C, Boston. Option D, Springfield. Guess. Which is the capital of Maryland? The correct answer is option B, Annapolis. Which is the capital of Massachusetts? Option A, Boston. Option B, Columbus. Option C, Nashville. Option D, Harrisburg. Guess. Which is the capital of Massachusetts? The correct answer is option A, Boston. Which is the capital of Michigan? Option A, Lansing. Option B, Raleigh. Option C, Madison. Option D, Olympia. Guess. Which is the capital of Michigan? The correct answer is option A, Lansing. Which is the capital of Minnesota? Option A, Cheyenne. Option B, Charleston. Option C, St. Paul. Option D, Little Rock. Guess. Which is the capital of Minnesota? The correct answer is option C, St. Paul. Which is the capital of Mississippi? Option A, Salem. Option B, Jackson. Option C, Montpelier. Option D, Dover. Guess. Which is the capital of Mississippi? The correct answer is option B, Jackson. Which is the capital of Missouri? Option A, Helena. Option B, Jefferson City. Option C, Topeka. Option D, Columbia. Guess. Which is the capital of Missouri? The correct answer is option B, Jefferson City. Who got the most answers right? Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for playing. Guess the capital city. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.